Hello everyone! Today's video is about functions. Functions are similar to procedures. They are self-contained sections of code. The key difference is that they always return a value. Here's an example to convert centimeter to inches. To start writing the function, we just put the word function. Then we put beside it the variable that is going to be used in the program when we call the function. Suppose we call it CMS2 inches and we put in it a parameter, we call it metric. This parameter must be between brackets. When we enter the function, we put in a variable cm_2_inch the value 2.54 and put in variable inches the parameter metric that the user is going to pass it, divide it by the variable cm_2_inch. Then we will return the variable inches and put end function to end our function. Suppose in the program we have a variable called height metric and you put in it an input message which is enter your height in centimeters. We put it between brackets and quotations so it can be shown to the user. When the user enters his height, the value will be saved in variable height metric. Then we're going to print your height in inches is, and we put it between brackets and quotations, and that we put comma and put the variable CMS2 inches that is our function and pass to it the parameter height metric which the value of centimeters that the user entered. So now we are calling the function that is CMS2 inches. Our variable height metric is the parameter which is found in the function which is metric. So we have in this function the variable cm_2_inch the value 2.54 and have the variable inches which contains the metric which is the height metric which contains the value that the user entered. The value we divided by the variable cm_2_inch and the answer will be saved in variable inches. Then we're going to return the variable inches, so the answer will going to be shown beside the print message that is shown to the user. Then we have end function so that we know the function has stopped. So the return statement identifies it as a function rather than a procedure.